Have you ever wondered how to apply for a credit card and get approved? It can seem like a daunting task, especially if you have bad credit. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Many people are hesitant to apply for a credit card because they're worried they won't get approved. Or they may have been denied for a credit card in the past. But there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of getting approved, even if you have bad credit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire credit card application process, step by step. I'll also share some tips on how to increase your chances of getting approved, even if you have bad credit. Steps to apply for a credit card. 1. Shop around and compare different credit cards. There are many different credit cards available, so it's important to shop around and compare different options to find the best card for your needs. 2. Check your credit score and report. Your credit score is a measure of your credit worthiness. Lenders use your credit score to decide whether or not to approve you for a credit card. You can check your credit score for free at annualcreditreport.com. 3. Gather the necessary information. To apply for a credit card, you'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, social security number, and employment information. 4. Complete the credit card application. Once you've gathered the necessary information, you can complete the credit card application online or by phone. 5. Wait for a decision. Once you've submitted your application, the lender will review your information and make a decision. You may receive a decision immediately, or it may take a few days or weeks. Tips for increasing your chances of getting approved. Have a steady income. Lenders want to see that you have a steady income to make your credit card payments. Have a low debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio is the amount of debt you have compared to your income. Lenders want to see that you have a low debt-to-income ratio, which means that you can afford to make your credit card payments. Have a good credit history. Your credit history is a record of how you've handled credit in the past. Lenders will review your credit history to get an idea of how likely you are to repay your credit card debt. Bonus tip. If you have bad credit, consider applying for a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires you to put down a deposit, which serves as your credit limit. If you make your payments on time and in full, you can build your credit and eventually qualify for an unsecured credit card. If you're looking to apply for a credit card, be sure to follow the steps and tips I've shared in this video. In my next video, I'll be sharing my top 5 tips for using a credit card responsibly. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.